Hi, my name is Jorge Angarita and today I'm going to talk about the place where I live. Text fighter is there are vocabulary of the place, teacher Alexis Díaz, present Jorge Angarita, codec 13746-442, group 161, English matter. Place where I live, condominio El Lago. To the beginning going to show my apartment in which I live my son Christopher and also there is a dog Shira. It is located on a system floor inside in the are two bedrooms. There is a single bathroom and kitchen, the living room, the dining room and balcony. Here, there are a lot of apartments and parking space, and also there is a gym. I live in a resident and residential place in Florida Blanca. Thanks.